Hello, welcome to Xiaochuan English Live. In this video, I'm going to show you a city in Spain, which name is Malaga. Malaga is very close to the beach and it locates south of Spain. I just cut my hair in a barber shop. Is it good? So at the first time it's not really good, but I changed a senior barber to help me cut. So it looks pretty nice at the moment. So here is the Soho in Malaga, one of the busiest streets in Malaga. In Spain, we have to wait for the traffic. It's quite weird to pass through the lights. Just past through the Soho, there are a lot of neighborhoods over there, so I will show you later. The street behind me is La Calle Laios. It's a beautiful street with lovely shops and squares, especially at night. I pretty like the brand called Goldie, and I have bought a shoe from this brand. After walking past the narrow streets, we arrived at a church just in front of me. The church behind me is Sacred Heart of Jesus.
Because this video is very long, so I will separate into three, and see you next time. Bye bye.